those things that you really care about. It's not going to be easy. You know, the only thing that gets in the way of anyone living a passionate life are three things, which is really one thing: false beliefs, false ideas, false concepts. False beliefs, false ideas, and false concepts. In other words, the thought of, I'm not good enough, smart enough, beautiful enough, rich enough, I don't have what it takes, I'm too old. Anyone ever have any of those? You know? Yeah, all of us. And we let those win. In the Passion Test programs, what I love, one of the things that I really love about this program is, you know, we don't just spend time becoming experts in living a passionate life, but we also go deeply into self-inquiry. What am I blocking? Where have I been blocking? What is the thing that I'm, you know, playing over and over and over again that's keeping me from waking up every morning just feeling like, you know, I want to cry because I'm so grateful. That's how I feel. I'm so grateful for my life. You know, it's so beautiful when you can wake up and just, you know, you just like, it's just, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. How do you get there? What do you think happens the more you drop into you and be in your integrity and be in your truth? What do you think? What do you think you become like? You reclaim your power, number one. You know, remember I said in the very beginning, all of us are so powerful. We're so powerful. Look at our life. You can see how powerful you are. You're the co-creator of that life. Look what you co-created. Now, is it working for you? If it's not, change the reel. You know, change the reel. Get clear on your passions and start choosing in favor of those things. And it may not be easy. So that's why we use self-inquiry. How many have ever done the work? Self-inquiry, the work of Byron Katie. I used to be our marketing director. And so in our programs, what we do is we take a look at everyone. What are your limiting beliefs? What are these beliefs? Because first, you want to be the teacher, don't you? You want to be the teacher living the teaching. You don't have to be perfect to go out there and be a transformational leader. You just have to be on the way, don't you? You just have to realize, okay, I'm getting my tools. I'm using my tools. I'm getting my tools. I got my tools. Okay, I'm using them. It's very, very important.